That's our fearless leader here. That's Nelson. And he's our yellow team. So the rest of our group here, that they're all here. Our local guide. So we're waiting on a tram here. This is our tram coming up, number 12. Here it comes right here. I'm on a tram now here. Met some local people. I hope they don't mind that they're going to get in the vid here with me. And you never know who you're going to meet on a tram here. So the rest of our group is like up in front there. So who knows where they are. All right. And going across a little bridge here. We got little things down there to control the water. Waterfall down there too. And little factories, all factories around here. This is on the down portion of the waterfalls. We were up there at that bridge up there. Now we're walking down here. All right, we gotta keep on moving. Cross over another bridge here. We're going to be looking back up at the waterfalls. And a tree is in the way there, but the waterfalls are up there. We'll get them. You can see part of them now. You can see a little bit. They're up there and coming down there, coming down here. So there we go. Coming up to another bridge up here. A little bit different. They said it was a move from somewhere else down to here. So it says it's the Beierbrua, 1852. I don't think it was built here in 1852. Maybe it was originally and then moved here. And we got some more waterfalls here on this side. A lot of factories, like you said, were around here so they could use the water for power, I would think. There's some waterfalls up there. And the sign up there says this is it. I don't know what it is, but we shall see. And the other side here, there's more water. We're going into a marketplace now. A lot of graffiti on the walls here. All kinds of stuff up there. You can see and more different things up there. Yeah. Looks like a little older section here. More graffitis on these walls here. Look at this here. The wall here. You get some good vibes off of that maybe. Yeah, all painted here. On both sides here. A lot of paint here, a lot of different colors. The ladder here, and yeah, even more here. Here we go. All right, they got some kind of crazy guy over there painted green up there. Okay, we got some stuff up here. We got an eye, an ear, and a nose. So seeing stuff, hearing stuff, and smelling stuff, I guess here. Right up there, there you go. You want that? There's some artsy stuff there, that's for sure. All right, back on the move here.